Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. Caldbeck is a small village with a pond and the customary ducks and moorhens. On the riverbank just below the church where John Beale and the Beauty of Buttermere lie buried, there are also a number of craft shops to wander around, such as Priest's Mill and the Wool Clip, plus also the Waterwheel Cafe. The Bobbin Mill is a short walk along the beck, a pleasant walk and easy going. Along the path there are many small waterfalls and even a cave. The mill was last used in the 1920s. Its claim to fame was that the 42-foot diameter and 3-foot wide watermill was for a while the largest in the UK.